In this video, I'll show you how to zoom out while moving with a motion path in Camtasia. As you can see, when the motion path ends, the size of the video remains unchanged. If you try to adjust the scale at the endpoint of the motion path, it will also change the scale for all points along the path. Add a custom animation. Next, adjust the duration of the custom animation to match the length of the motion path effect. This ensures smooth timing between the movement and zoom. Finally, select the endpoint of the custom animation and scale the video to the size you need. Now, your zoom out effect will appear as the motion path concludes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.